Hey guys, it's JP here with Rock Krawler. You know, it's kind of funny. We have the tendency to just do things and keep going and move on to the next. Austin's been with us for over a year now, and he wheeled with us at Trail Hero and Moab, and watching vehicles like Dan Four from Next Venture Motorsports or Sean Hendricks and all these guys that have either Adventure X2 or X Factor X2 long arms in their vehicles. And we've never even explained to you what we did. So I'm like, well, let's drag the 392 outside and we'll do a quick video. So here we are. Adventure X2 and X Factor X2 have class leading, and by this classification of long arm, I mean with the stock fuel system intact 100%. Once you go to a rear mounted tank or a different mid mounted tank or something like that, you go into other categories of what we consider long arm suspension, such as our Rockzilla. Other competitors come into play. You know, a very competitive marketplace, and it's a lot of fun there too, and there's builder kits that do very well. But when it comes to maintaining the stock fuel system, there is not one long arm system out there that competes with Adventure X2 or X Factor X2 when it comes to crossover angles in between with the high clearance steel arms, or ground clearance gains in the back of the vehicle. In the back, we raise up all the brackets on the axles, providing you with the ultimate in ground clearance underneath the rear differential as compared to a factory and our competitors. Now, one of the things we do with this, we also do not shortchange you by moving the shock mounts up on the axle without relocating them at the chassis. Whether it be JK or JL, they all come with raised rear shock or rear coilover mounts that go in place. So we are not shortchanging you on 1 ounce of suspension travel as compared to any other application or any of our competitors. The ride quality, geometry, weld scheduling, you know, everything about these kits is designed to flat out perform, from awesome street ride to some of the most toughest trails you've ever seen off-road. You know, you can go play in the desert, you can go anywhere. And the biggest difference is between Adventure X2 and X Factor 2 is what is best for you, the consumer. Adventure X2 is a 4-link front, high clearance 3-link rear. X Factor X2 is a independent 3-link front, high clearance independent 3-link rear. Adventure X2 features our Adventure joints on all applications and is 100% maintenance free. This obviously suits some people very well, or some others would be much more aggressive off-road when they're going with long arm and choose the X Factor X2 with the zero suspension bind of the independent 3-link front and rear suspension arrangements. These are offered in coil spring and coilover applications for JK and JL applications. Absolutely amazing on and off the road, but again, not one of our competitors beats us when it comes to crossover angles and keeping everything tucked in the middle, and the high clearance feature on the back of the axle. If you have any questions on Adventure X or X Factor long arms, you know, feel free to give us a call, check out our website. This is definitely class leading material. Stuff we came out with in 2019, we just never talked about it.